at the pond and we are going to walk. We're going to splash.
Oh. Lee, very far. You don't need to go. Just stay there.
Guys, I'm in the pond. Hello guys, today we're going to the pond. We're going to see. Look at it nice.
No, that's very sharp. And not throw it. Throw. Yeah.
I got something. You got something? Hi!
Sen, wala kasi ang kuwan dyan, no? Karen.
Some rocks in the tidal wave.
Can you show me your rocks? Where's the rock? Can you see me? Can you see? Can I see?
Don't touch the kuwan, ha? Mas
Very. Don't go there, Ryzen. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back more. Okay.
Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you now. 1, 2, 3, go! Kaboom!
Stay back, Ryzen. Malakas yan, no?
Wait,
I'm telling you, pag naanod ka dyan, pupunta ka sa malayo doon, we cannot reach you. Tanggalin mo na lang.
no, I don't. You be my contact. Because I'm in your contact. So you should be my contact. Right?
Lee, say something, Lee. Lee, what can you say?
Guys,
Where are you,
going
Lee?
to go in a splash pond.
What are you doing, Lee? Are you fishing, Lee?
Yeah.
Are you fishing, Lee?
Guys, me and Riley are trying to find a heron. Do you know what's a heron? I'll use my fishing skills to find a fish. Oh, fishy, come and leap out of the water.
There, that is fine. Wait.
Secret, come out. Come out. Maybe I'll find a gigantic rock something. I'm digging for rocks and I found one. Okay, I quit digging now.
Lee? Lee, no. Move back. Thank you.
Mom, I was it. I got some cool rocks. Guys, I got some cool rocks. Let's see if he's one. Ready to throw them? Nope.
Ano mo ba? May buhaya, ha?
Guys, I got a special rock. And if you like it, comment a red stone. Are you ready to throw it? No. Like if you like this rock. Bye. I found one.
Lee?
I found another one. Well, I'm gonna dig for some rocks. I'm digging for rocks again, guys. Mommy, look.
Wow.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Oh, what's that? Yun dito, oh.
Oh no!
Ha? Oh.
My stick broke, guys. Oh no.
Lee, move back.
Get another stick.
Move back. Move back. Oh. Move back, Lee.
I'm gonna do fishing.
Tinan mo, tumutubo sila, oh.
Ryzen, malamig yan.
I'm gonna go fishing.
Okay, let's see, Daddy. You'll try to sit down.
Naglag ako dito.
I'm gonna go fishing.
Ryzen!
Okay, guys, just to remember, every time we walk, we you will see this. Algae. Flood warning. Water is potentially dangerous. Stay away. But even though it said stay away, we went in the water. So that thing you saw, the lobster thingy, it's a crayfish. Frog! Buddy, frog! Frog! It's a whale!
Ay, may baby pa, may baby. There's a baby frog. Ito, ang laki oh.
Si Weebit! There's a frog. Now we're going to see the wild flowers, everybody, and we saw 2 animals today. Name it. Crayfish and frog. Right there.
Ay, yeah,
What?
yeah, there's the water.
Now we're going to see the wildflower sizzle.
Ryzen, do you want to go? Yeah, those are flowers.
Wow, look over here. Look over here. Look at some bees here. Time to move on.
See, it's not that hot here. Not very hot. So,
We see a snail now. Well, let me pick out the little snail. Get the snail, get the snail. Get the snail.
wait, I can't see.
Get the snail, get the snail.
Ah,
Get it, get it. Get the snail. No!
Oh, Riley, throw the snail. Oh, Daddy said there's a big one right there.
What? Big snail?
Snail.
Big snail?
Lily, don't put it.
Daddy,
There's a
what?
baby one here.
What's that?
Don't touch it, Lee. Don't touch it.
What's that?
The snail too. Don't touch it. Let's go find more snail here. So nice and yeah, that's a bird.
What?
It's far. It's far though. Oopsie.
Pointless to give up.
Hey,
Have to give up.
go balance here,
Give
Kuya.
up.
Oh.
Have to give up. Jump now. Maybe from here. Maybe from. Don't want to get serious. Maybe here.
You better sit down and then jump. 1, 2, sit down, go and jump.
Dalawa, tatlo. Go. We're up, but this is not the part, but at least we get to have some fun. Guys, this is the end of my video, and comment lobster squad if you saw the crayfish. Bye-bye.